A jury will once again decide Chad Chritton's guilt or innocence in a child torture case.
Continuing coverage from Dane County Court now, where Danica Lewis is live tonight.
Well, Michelle and Eric, Chritton is the one accused of locking his teenage daughter in the basement of their East Side Madison home and intentionally starving her down to 68 pounds. Now, the jury has been deliberating for about 4 hours this afternoon. Before that began, though, we did hear closing arguments from both sides of this case. Chritton's lawyer says that while he may have made some poor parenting decisions, that doesn't make Chritton a criminal.
If you were trying to hide it, you'd have taken those alarms down. You'd have taken those cameras out. He didn't. He showed them. Those aren't the actions of a man trying to cover this up. They're the actions of a man who thought he was doing the right thing, who thought he was doing the best he could.
Chritton faces multiple felonies, including first-degree reckless endangerment and child abuse, among others. In this retrial, the prosecution argued for accountability. Assistant District Attorney Matt Mosier emphasized that in his final words to the jury today.
And ultimately, it comes down to whether you are willing to do that, whether you are willing to do what you're here to do, which is justice. Both for Mr. Chritton, for his daughter's justice, which means verdicts of guilt.
Chritton's wife is serving a 5-year prison term after a plea deal in late July. And Eric, as you mentioned a little bit earlier there, this is Chad Chritton's second time in court this year for this case. To give you an idea, it took the jurors 20 hours of deliberation last time to come back deadlocked on the charges that he is being retried for right now. And of course, this is something we'll keep a close eye on through the course of the night and give you the latest as we can.
Updates when possible. Danica live downtown. Thank you very much.